Did you know that a CloudConnexa user can belong to multiple user groups? To set this up, sign into the admin portal, click Users, and then click Users again. Select the user you want to add to additional groups. Each user has one primary user group, which controls their main settings, including regions, internet access, authentication, device limits, and posture policies. You can also assign the user to up to 20 secondary user groups. These groups don't change the user's settings. Instead, they provide additional access to resources through access groups. When using SAML or LDAP group mapping, the first matching rule assigns the primary user group. Any additional matches become secondary user groups. Because access is additive, be sure to review your mapping rules to avoid giving users more access than intended. That's it. Multiple user groups make it easier to manage flexible access without creating additional accounts.